Okay guys, this is camp for the weekend. We're here at Dripping Springs in Temecula, California. That's camp. It's a nice little campground. There's like only 24 spaces here. It's another one of those small campgrounds. So here, Susan's making frappes for everybody. Except for me, I don't drink frappes.
Should have done this one at a time.
You guys, we're up here on the trail. I'm not going to do the hike today. It's probably... Got some corn going, got some carne asada.
So this we're at camera 1 right now.
Okay, dinner is done. Just having a nice little fire. Fire's got to be out by 11 o'clock. Got Susan over here cleaning up her little grill. Got our oven. We got something special going tomorrow in the morning. Sun's going down. Morning, Sunday morning camp. Susan's THERM-A-REST NEOAIR XTHERM didn't make the night. Completely flat. Valves locked tight. Didn't make the night. Kept it warm, but didn't make the night. Gonna be returning it. Hey guys, we're trying something a little different in the oven this morning. Today, we were trying breakfast pizza. Dough, eggs, cheese, ham, bacon, and sausage. Here's what mine looks like. Actually don't look too bad. It overflowed a little bit, but I'm gonna give it a shot. See what it tastes like. Don't mind the hornets, I won't eat him. Okay guys, it actually came out pretty good. I sliced it. Looks pretty good. Oh, it's steaming. Steaming up the lens. Sorry about that. Okay, well, I'll get back to you after I've eaten it.